Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do today. This is coming from OREI. This thing is amazing. It's HDMI audio extractor, 18 gigs. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Now, since we all know that the Xbox Series X and S do not have optical for your sound bars or anything, no Bluetooth, no nothing. I think for the PS5 also, so you might want to get one of these. Easy to hook up, works perfect so far. Just got it set up over there, and here we go. We're going to show you what it looks like. So OREI Extractor, but we're going to hop over. Sorry about the mess. Got the X or the S right there. Got my external hard drive. Got a bunch of wires now. So here she is. Look at that. So basically you take this HDMI, plug it into your Xbox, and then take this one in the back where the optical port is. Right there. And then run it through your soundbar like so. Whoops. And then here we go. Make sure it's on bitstream. I have a good sound. So it's working right now. I just gotta clean up this right now. So there, all they run through the back, and everything works great. So definitely check these guys out. OREI. Really nice, easy to set up. Make sure you get your soundbars working correctly on the new systems. I think this costs under $50, so definitely worth the purchase. Power your console, whatever you're gonna use, computers, whatever. Get the soundbar going to watch movies, and then to the TV, and then to the soundbar. Got it all the way there. So there you go, YouTubers. Check them out. Short video today. Be safe. Have a good night.